Okay, so now that we have the national population difference and that of our data set, we come to the percentage difference in the urban population, the two urban populations. So I put my equal sign, then I look for the ABS function, I choose it, say V2 minus V1. So now there are two values. This is the one from the data set, and then this is the one from the estimated 2020 urban population. Now, um, because I don't want to have a negative value, I will take the bigger one, the obvious bigger one, as the my second value. So this one looks bigger. I'll choose that one minus this, because the value doesn't have to be negative. It can be a zero, but it doesn't have to be a negative. It has to be a positive number or zero. So here I close my bracket, then I introduce my division sign, um, open another bracket, or just go on just with the average. The average is also here, so I choose my average. The average is two values, so first value, comma, the second value, and then I close my bracket. Now, per the function that we are working with, you will see that if you go to our slide, the B part, or the whole function over here, after you do this, which we are advised to use the ABS function in Google Sheet, the down part of it is an average. It's expression of the average of the two values. Then we multiply all these by 100. So if you don't put that in the bracket, you will not be, oh if you don't put that in the bracket, you will not be having the correct value. So let me put everything in the bracket, and then I multiply it by 100. So yes, this is my multiplication sign, and then I enter. So this is what we have, and you can see the two formulas, if you double click, are very much the same. Is what we use to do our calculation, and everything is very much the same. Okay, so now we have this. Now we have this. Now let's go to the data set again to see our next step. Like I continuously say, the data set is what is instructing us what to do. So you can't do anything outside it. Otherwise, you'll be doing your own thing. So the next thing is create a visualization to compare the share of the national value living in urban versus rural. So we are going to let's create a line chart on our global 2020 report. Our independent variable, which is the cost, on the x-axis will be the national population, that is the pop underscore n, and our dependent value will be the effect, or the effect on the y-axis are the urban and the rural population share percentages. So let's go and do just that and see how that one also goes. Okay, so let's go and look at it. Definitely. So I will create a different sheet quickly, where I'll have all my visualizations. So I create a sheet, double click here, and I will name it visualization. Yeah,